Both kittens were playing games happily.
Idiot kitten, clean this!
She has to wash the dishes while they both are eating happily. There is something evil in her mind. Oh no, she spills juice on the floor and makes the floor dirty again.
Never snipped out.
It hurts the little kitten so much.
Clean the floor again. Clean this smelly.
Oh no, she gets covered in poop. She runs away and quickly washes her face, but she mixes. Oh my god, what is this? She mocks the poor kitten. Kitten says something to stepmother, and she gets offended. It hurts the poor kitten so much. It's nighttime, but she is still washing the clothes.
This food is tasty, right, son?
She is also very hungry. Wow, stepmother gives her tasty food. Oh no, not the ugly soup again. Oh no, not the ugly soup again. Oh no, not the ugly soup again.
Come back here, idiot.
Oh no, God, this is way too much work. Kitten works the whole night, and when she gets tired, stepmother hits her badly with a frying pan. She packs up her bag for school tiredly.
Stop! Where are you going? Come back. You will never.
This is not fair.
Clean the whole house. Clean the whole house. Clean the whole house. Clean the whole house. Clean the whole house.